According to the World Health Organization, the only approved usage of the drug Ivermectin for COVID-19 is through the conduct of a clinical trial. Here in St. Lucia, one doctor, Gilbertha St.Rose, has been persistent in her request to the Medical and Dental Council to conduct such a trial, but alleges she has been stonewalled.
Even that I attempted to do by going through the protocols of the application to the Research and Ethics Committee of the Medical and Dental Council. And the response there, well, they just acknowledge a receipt of my application. And it's good to know that initially the application for clinical trials was done to be in collaboration with our Ministry of Health. And in a long email from our Chief Medical Officer, she was given reasons why this very safe drug that has been used for the last 40 years could not be used to do a clinical trial.
Ivermectin is not approved for the treatment of COVID-19 in St. Lucia. St.Rose bemoans the stance taken by the Ministry of Health on a proposed joint venture to conduct the Ivermectin clinical trial.
Whereas WHO is saying you can use it, on the clinical trials, our Ministry of Health is saying, well, no, we cannot allow even a clinical trial.
St.Rose says that prior to the revocation and reinstatement of her license, as well as a hefty $10,000 fine, she submitted an application to the Medical Council seeking permission to conduct an Ivermectin clinical trial, but only recently received acknowledgement of her request and nothing more. However, Dr. St.Rose is not discouraged and has resubmitted another application.
After 43 years of independence and, the capabilities that we should have, it is really astonishing and a shame that our Ministry of Health, will not participate in a clinical trial that will help to benefit our people. I still agreed to do the clinical trial on my own, and I revised my application, sent it to the council, and they have not replied.
Despite a lack of a response from the regulators, St.Rose hopes to be granted approval as she seeks to study the drug as it pertains to its effectiveness as a possible COVID-19 therapeutic and prophylactic. It should be noted that such studies in other parts of the world have proven inconclusive, and reputable health agencies do not recommend the anti-parasitic drug for the treatment and prevention of the deadly viral disease. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.